was there any one particular critical incident in your life that made you the person that you are today, that kind of set you apart from everyone else? And after that critical incident of your life, what did you start doing differently?
Yes, like I said, I took up bold steps and I felt like I was climbing up the ladder and going in the right direction. From 2012, I came into the Indian team in 2014. Coming back to the senior Indian team from my junior days, and I felt I was going in the right direction, playing
Mm-hmm.
really well, performed really well in the international circuit as well. But I think I suddenly felt like someone directly pushed me right from the top of the ladder when in 2015 my dad passed away due to cancer. And I think that incident really put me off track and really devastated me and my family. And I felt like, I think I've lost it and I've given up. And that is the moment I felt, there is no guarantee for anything in the next day or the next minute or the next second in what you do. And that is the moment I felt I really had a change in my thought that, you know, no point in calculating things, no point in seeing what's the result, what is going to happen next, and you know playing more result oriented. And I went through process oriented approach on seeing we have to go through that path, take the journey, do the necessary task, and the result will be taken care of it by self. And I became a person who felt like I have nothing to lose for. I played like I had nothing to lose. I played like there is no tomorrow, or there is no next game, there is no next point. This is the point you're going to play for. Give it all and give it your best. I think that incident really changed me. That when there is no guarantee for lives, there is no guarantee for anything. And what worst can happen? I'm just going to lose a match, but I've lost my dad. I think that really made me a beast on court. And from there on, that 2015, when now in November when he passed away, I felt sport was the only thing I could put on my energy, channelize my energy, put on all my anger, all my strength and energy into the court. And 2015, I won the Commonwealth Championship mixed doubles gold medal for the first ever time for the country. And of course, I missed the Olympic berth, but I did not let that sink into me. And I felt I took that up as a challenge, and I went on to win the 2016 Belgium Open, becoming the second Indian to win a Pro Tour title and the first Indian to win on an European soil. I think that was a moment I felt that I really made myself as a different person, and I came out in 2016 as a different Satyan altogether.
Amazing. Just truly inspiring. I mean, hats off to you. Most people in life, whenever they face a challenge, they tend to let that challenge define them. And most of the time that's in a negative way, in a way that, does not take them towards what they want. In fact, they start settling and they take lesser risks. But what you see clearly have done is you looked at that in a whole new perspective, and you took on the challenge of life in general, and you went after what you wanted. So as sad as it is losing a father, I mean, it clearly it has made a tremendous impact in not only your professional career but on a personal level, from what I can hear.
Very true. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll have to give it to my mother because I think she was the backbone. I was actually, in fact, worried about her, but the
Mhm.
person she turned out to be an iron lady, telling me that a sport was the only thing Dad was thinking about, and this is the best way you can give back to him on what he has done for all of us. And she was the one who supported me in this tough times, and I felt that energy she gave me really pushed me hard to make my dad proud. And the day what I'm there today is just because of his valiant efforts he put on me in the childhood days.